Atari space station coming into view. Once we dock.
Hello everybody. I have my Snow White lipstick on because I'm hoping I'll get to meet her today. I also have my Princess Flower shirt on because it's Flower Garden Festival, which means we're going to Epcot! Yay!
Sorry, I'm in Crackers.
Yay, we're here! Guys, shout out to Jackie from Guest Relations at Epcot. She fixed something for us and it was really quite fabulous of her, and she really helped us and she made our lives a lot easier today. Yeah. Guys, we just took so many really good pictures. And we're going underneath the Epcot ball. Yay! Ta-da! There it is. Beautiful. Lots of construction going on at Epcot. Not a fan. Big bummer. It's kind of I mean, it's fine. It's just a lot. We're getting Joffrey's, but look. We're right near Cosmic Rewind. Of course, it's not open right now. It's not opening until this summer, but they are doing cast previews right now, so the ride is running. We got our Joffrey's. Eric and I both got Irish cream and caramel in it. It's really good. I really highly recommend it. Guys, Eric got me a necklace. It's the coordinates and with a Mickey head. Thanks. We're gonna do Living with the Land.
That lane is gonna be so living.
Gun to my head, my favorite ride.
One of the parks. What would you pick? If you're here at 4 parks and you only go one ride, what would you pick? No, you haven't been on Ratatouille.
Out of all the 4 parks, I think I'm gonna pick Tower.
Right here, give it again. Yeah.
Mom.
Mommy.
What would yours be?
Mommy.
Tower.
Eric? Oh, I know.
Eric?
Definitely not Tower.
Star Wars, right or not? No.
I don't know. Like, I like it. I think I like it more because it's like new. I think that would be the only reason why I would be like, yeah, that one.
Right.
I mean, I do really enjoy Rock and Roller Coaster.
Okay.
I wish we got on that one.
Yeah.
But,
Oh wow, that is your number one, and we didn't get on it. That's not wrong. Oh.
And what's yours?
Tower of Terror. Very original.
We get to go on Soarin'. We're gonna go there and other places. Where's Kronk?
Hello.
Oh, there he is.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop. Nice work, pal. Nice work, pal. Nice work, pal. Nice work, pal.
So Soarin' was fun. Now Eric and I and my parents have reservations at Space 20 or Space 220, but we're eating at the lounge, not the main area. So, which is a fun hack. If you can't get the reservation, you could try to get the reservation for the lounge. So that way you could still go up in the elevator to space, you know? I'm so pumped for this. I feel like it's gonna be really cool.
This is about to be mind-blowing.
Oh, look. It's neon. Oh, we got our ticket to space. Hello. Oh my god, this is so cool. Stop.
Welcome aboard the Stellarator. In just a few moments, you'll be on your way up to Space 220 aboard the Centauri space station.
SP1, you are clear for departure. 3, 1, liftoff.
Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride.
I'm astounded.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri space station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock.
SP1 cleared for arrival.
Trust me, you guys can follow me out.
Oh my god.
Is your first time up in space?
Yeah.
Welcome. It was great view of North America. Up here.
Hi. This is crazy. This is insane.
Put this on it.
Guys, this is literally so cool. I'm astounded. I'm flabbergasted. I'm really honestly shook to my core. And the cast members here are so immersive and so good. They're like performers. Guys, this is literally the craziest experience. It's so immersive. It's like entertainment. Like, I feel like I'm on a ride. This is so fabulous. I would really recommend this. We're going back down to Florida.
Your journey back to Epcot will be a smooth and quick one today.
There's the Epcot ball.
Is now coming into view. When we dock, gather your belongings, exit through the open airlock, and watch your hip controllers.
We're back. Wow. We just landed. That was the coolest thing. That was absolutely fabulous. I loved it. What a fabulous 10 out of 10 time. We are all back together. We're gonna go over to Mexico to start our attempt at drinking around the world. Eric and I will be sharing beverages. Very exciting. We're walking by Test Track, clearly.